All right, the dessert diva's in the house, and don't worry, everybody, she's not going to ruin your New Year resolution.
Because we are trying to keep it tight and right over here.
That's right. I knew it. And you know, because January, we just had to do something really delicious and healthy. And Gail snuck a little bite.
I did. It's so good.
Already.
It's like paleo, no refined sugar.
So they're lemon coconut cookies.
Okay.
And they are gluten-free, they're paleo, and they would be vegan, but I use cashews and I also use some almonds. So a lot of vegans don't eat almonds because they're
it does something to our skin.
The bees are pollinated. The bees pollinate almonds, so then vegans won't eat it because the bees pollinate. But anyway, so technically it could be, but it's delicious. So now it would be easier if you had a food processor to make this. So use a food processor or a blender. I did some things first just so it would be like we wouldn't be hearing the food processor here. So I've got a cup of cashews and a half a cup of almonds. Again, if you're vegan, just omit the almond and use the cashews.
Because Dave is leaning in.
Cashews don't
to be a vegan.
Oh well, this would be for you. You didn't know about the almond pollinating, so you're not quite a vegan yet. So no,
I just didn't want to say anything.
You wanted me to have my moment.
Yeah, I want to let you shine.
All right. Okay, so cashews and almonds. Just use cashews if you want it to be vegan. Now we've got shredded, unsweetened coconut. Get the shredded and then put that in the food processor too and blend that up. Well, I got the coconut. I had to bang the thing and open it and peel. Yeah, no, the bag was easy.
Okay, he wants to know if you're going to put a lime in the coconut.
Well, you know what? That's another recipe, but yeah, I got it. We'll do that one. All right, so then we're going to do 1/4 cup coconut oil. Okay, smelt the coconut oil, and that is what we're using instead of the butter. That's what's going to help it keep. There's no egg in this, obviously, because it's all the good stuff. Well, because it's vegan. So now we're going to do 1/3 cup maple syrup. Now this is pure organic maple syrup. Okay. That's the only sweetness that's in there. So there's no, like I said, there's no refined sugar. It's just that's it. You know, I wore this black shirt and I already have schmutz all over, and now I'm getting schmutz all over.
That's a job hazard.
That's what's going on. All right, 2 tablespoons. About 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Get it from 1 lemon. Now you'll just use this whole lemon. You're going to use the zest of 1 lemon and then cut it open and use about half of it would be the 2 to 3 tablespoons. Use the other, cut the rest of it and put it in your water or something like that. You know? So
in your water, yeah.
All right, that's it. So we're gonna just zest. I'll put that down. Is it almost? All right, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and that's it, because that's what's going to help them kind of set up. And that's it. And you're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Oh, that's it?
Let them set up.
This is pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah,
right?
Like
is it good?
And I think that it is zesty. I wanted to make sure it was zesty. So anyway, I think it's a great recipe to start off if you want a little something sweet, if you want a treat.
What a great New Year's. And Happy New Year's to you, my friend.
Happy New Year.
Thanks, guys.
All right, Lee, and we're going to bring you, Mayor, some cookies.
Zesty. I love it. Max Defender 8 right